Helianthus lemon queen is a new plant for the 2021 catalogue. We are going to propagate it now. We've got a big clump that has come out of the gardens at Carhays, and we're now at Burncoose, and we're going to split them and pot them on ready for sale in the spring. So you probably are aware of the Helianthus as the sunflower. We often buy these as seeds and grow them as annuals, but often they come as these rhizomatous perennials. And when you have a big clump like this, you can get multiple plants by splitting them. Now sometimes they might be easy to just split them by hand, or you might need to use a splitting spade or even a saw if so. In this situation, we're going to use a saw. I'm just going to cut through, and then it's really easy to just pull a clump away like that. And then the rest of it, yeah, you can just, there we go. There we go. So then, in a commercial nursery, we're using these torp pots that are recyclable, and we just get a nice compost, maybe not so much as that. And you want the deep pots because look at these lovely long tubers. Sorry, not tubers, rhizomes. And then press it down, and there we go. And then do another, and that's it.